All right, everyone, warmly welcome to JK Cyber. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can also uninstall you understand Google Chrome once probably you don't need it anymore. So in our case, what we are going to do here, okay, what we are going to do here, let me just take you through the main deal. So in this case, once I click on the search bar here, just search for Chrome. Now you can see we have Google Chrome here. So to uninstall this, you just need to open your terminal, and after opening your terminal like this, let me zoom it so that you can see everything that I'm doing. Okay, so after opening your terminal, the command or the prompt or the command key that you need to type is what? Sudo. Okay, sudo. You just need to type sudo apt. Remember, then you type page. Okay, page, then you add the name, which is what? Google. Okay, I can also actually click on the tab key to what? Finish everything for me. So by clicking on it now, you see, then you click on enter, and here you need to also give it what? The accessibility, all right, or the right to uninstall by entering your password. And here they will also ask you, do you sure you want to uninstall? Then you type what? Y, and then Y stand for yes. And now you see it is what? Removing. Once you get 100%, everything is done. All right, so in our case, we've uninstalled our Google Chrome. Let's just minimize this and also search for it if we can actually get it here. So just search for Chrome. Now you see we don't have it anymore. So for you to also uninstall any app, that is how to also go about it. The name still remains JK Cyber, and I'm out. Bye bye.